What's a holiday without a cocktail? So eggnog, what is eggnog? It's really, honestly, it's a very light creme anglaise. It's a custard. For some reason, some people like to drink this in a glass. For me, it's intensely sweet. I don't like those melted ice cream cocktails like pina colada, White Russian, eggnog. So eggnog is traditionally served simply with some spiced rum. You can use this guy, Captain Morgan, or you can use the Kraken. Excuse me, my hat's on. The Kraken, which is, I like the Kraken. I use it to paint my Christmas cake. It's very spicy. It's lovely. They have good commercials, which you have to respect, you know. So they say, the Kraken is rum from the Caribbean, blended with natural flavor, named for a sea beast of myth and legend. I guess they don't have to tell you the ingredients. How interesting. They don't have to tell you. They say, blended with spice, caramel, and other natural flavors. It's quite vague. But anyway, I think it's a slightly better product than Captain Morgan's. We're gonna make a traditional eggnog cocktail. Then we're gonna make a slightly not traditional one. And then we're gonna make a gross one. I'm gonna actually shake this for a second. This is a traditional one. Okay. Remember what Britt said? You can't think about how you look. Nice. You can garnish this with a maraschino cherry, with anything you'd like. But a little spray of nutmeg across the top. Can't go wrong. Let's do a little spray of nutmeg. Actually, let's use a little Yuletide cheer. That's even better. Oh my. Now, this is for a one-on-one cocktail. You don't want to be making these for 10 people, okay? You just put the eggnog in a bowl with a ladle and put the rum in it, and they can do it themselves. Okay? Adam? You remember the Brandy Alexander was a big surprise. This could be, yeah.
Amazing. I mean,
The Brandy Alexander was superb.
You know, the rum cuts down on the sugar and it cuts on the thickness. It's way better than just straight eggnog.
I concur.
100%.
Traditional eggnog with spiced rum, done. Now we're going to do something rather flash. We're going to move this little gentleman, this unfortunate situation with the icing. Just going to move him over here. And we're going to make sort of an amaretto and allspice dram. I went and I bought this from Astor Place in New York City. If you cannot find a certain liquor, I have to really endorse them. They have the most bizarre liqueurs and things there. And also, they have a rather slightly overpriced but quite extraordinary wine room. They have Ravenau Chablis, which is probably the best Chablis in the world. It's a pretty great store. But if you want something like this, Astor Wines, okay? Are you ready? Let's try another eggnog cocktail. They might fight tooth and nail. Get a little ice. Chill your glass. Now this might make somebody you're trying to hook up with feel more inclined. For me, I don't drink whiskey because whiskey has a very specific effect on me. So we're going to pour in our eggnog. Could you bag somebody with an eggnog cocktail? Not sure. I would probably serve a Manhattan or an old fashioned or a martini. Anyways, let's make cocktail number 2. Here we go. Eggnog. And I'm gonna put a little bit of amaretto, like basically a capful. Okay, and then I'm gonna top it up with a healthy dram of allspice dram, which is essentially a Christmas Amaro. Okay, here we go. That is absolutely delicious. Wow, that could take a little more allspice dram. Oh, Sid, get up here. Come on. This is Nikki's sibling, Sid. Oh, yeah. I think that's kind of exquisite. Give me your opinion.
That's really good. That's nice.
It's this. Buy this, guys. Goes down easy.
Too easy.
I know, and it's full of sugar, so the alcohol slams into your cell. That's some good stuff, man. Pretty good stuff, right, Sid?
I'd say so.
Sue me, sue me. Go ahead, sue me. I love you. Go ahead, shoot me, shoot me, shoot bullets through me. I love you. Oh, alcohol. Oh, alcohol, alcohol. We're gonna make another alcohol drink. We're gonna put some ice in here and make our third eggnog cocktail, or gung, which is eggnog backwards. Now we're gonna get a little crazy. This is for the true of heart. Eggnog. We've got the eggnog cooling on the ice here. We're gonna do a little bit of Luxardo, which is extremely sweet. We're going to do a little bit of creme de cacao, which is this strange liqueur that we started playing with on the show. It's actually kind of fascinating. It smells like chocolate, but it's white. And it's not as sickly as you think it's going to be based on the name. Okay. I drank all the vodka last night with Andy and John, so we're not going to use vodka. We're going to return to the Kraken. This is going to be a chocolate rum almond surprise. Voila. Oh, who's gonna try it? Nick, who's gonna try it? Nick, who's gonna try it? Nick. It's gotta be cold. Now let me warn you about something. You can use Kahlua. It's coffee, it's very nice with eggnog. All of these things, if you get drunk on this, you will vomit. There's no two ways about it. It's too much sugar. This is a small cocktail. Then you switch to something else. You cannot drink this during the night. I'm telling you as your mom, you're gonna die puking in your bathroom, wishing you were dead on Christmas Eve. Don't do it. Chilled Nick and Nora. Bum bada bum bum. Chilled Nick and Nora. Woo! Actually, it smells divine. Oh yeah. Good night, Irene. Wow, that's a great cocktail. You could sell that. Nicholas, come here, please. Don't try to be all Rico Suave. It's strong. It's really strong.
Ooh, it smells like cherries.
Oh, Luxardo is another great idea.
Oh, yeah. I take that.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Now, I might want to suggest one more thing to you guys. What do I mean by Luxardo? I accidentally said Luxardo when obviously this is Luxardo Amaretto, which is actually made with almonds, whereas the other kind of famous one, is not made with almonds. It's made with apricot pits. It's very fascinating. This is made with apricot pits and actual almonds. When I say Luxardo, and when most people say Luxardo, they mean this. So many years ago, this is what we made cherries in the snow, and it's a cherry liqueur of divine, divine, yes, officer, of divine flavor. And honestly, I'm sorry I didn't think of it, because to put that in with the one we just made, superb. Warning, this is not for a crowd. This is you're catching up on 90 Day or something like that. You're making a couple cocktails for you and your friend. Who knows? Something might happen later. Just don't drink too many, because there could be something else happening later. Called the spins. I love you. Oh, alcohol.